Dyslexic Genius here. We're back on the boat anchor and we're going to take the governor apart, the Fern O'Grand. So let's take all the screws off. These work backwards than most governors. These are put together like a Brunswick.
Which means what?
They slide through the flywheel right here. See this?
Yeah.
They come through the flywheel like that. And they have funny springs.
It looks like each spring has a washer.
Each spring, yeah, each screw has a washer, just like every other governor. These are riveted on. There we go. Now we take off the end piece here. That's on there tight. Come up here and grab a pair of pliers. There we go. Got the end off. Pull this off. No oil. And then you can see here on the, this is where the felt hits and runs. You can see how I grooved it all out. All this has to be cleaned and polished, and I'll show you how to reassemble it in my next video. And that's my tip for the day.